.28 Pip. Let's get all this warm biking gear on again. Beautiful hot day again. Last day of our tour. Well, last holiday day. Got one more day tomorrow, but that'll be taken up by getting home. We're as far north as we could have come now in Europe, at Ostend. Tomorrow we head west. 56 miles west to Calais Eurotunnel. Just having a ride to Ostend this morning. Have a little look round. Chucked a pair of shorts on underneath the biking jeans. As soon as we get there, get the jeans off, have a little wander about in your shorts. Too hot to be walking around in biker jeans once again. Bit of a beer festival going on the beach last night. We had a wander down and had a little look. And there was a few fireworks that I think I'll have put on already. The airport, I think, where all these big planes are taking off from and flying up at campsite. Not that regular though, so it ain't so bad. This is Ostend. Is it, little man? Hey, 20 minutes. Oh, all them orange things are all boxed up.
Park it here then?
Yeah. I presume it's for note.
Pardon?
I presume it's for note. Free to motorbikes, isn't it? Yeah, it was only 20 minutes back there, wasn't it?
I didn't see that, that was... didn't see it till you pointed it out.
These are all sandcastles. Must be a big project they're doing. Oh, whether I can reach on this fence and show you the...
go down, and you keep going down, and there's Easter camp will come from you right outside. You see it's written on top of his roof.
Oh, right.
But just before it, about a mile up the road, there's a living museum of that Atlantic Wall, because Germany had an Atlantic Wall from Norway all the way down here, and that's the only piece that's left of it. You've still got guns and turrets and all that in there, and all working inside.
Really?
And it's a museum.
Thing is, if you follow that coastline back down Japan, you see all the big guns sticking out.
Yeah, that's that Atlantic Wall. That's where it is.
Ah, got it.
Nice talking to you guys.
Yeah, take it easy, boys.
Ride safe.
Don't do anything we won't do. You know, I thought I'm going to get one of them hammer cams.
They're good. They're good. I've done a lot of filming while I've been away.
We're not going to look at what you look at.
Look, yeah. All them passes that we did and that should come out and look real good.
Can't use them in Scotland though, can you?
What, these?
Yeah, they're illegal.
Are you joking?
In Scotland?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going touring in Scotland in a week's time.
Yeah, fuck
They're
it,
illegal.
fine.
They're illegal.
I don't know why.
It's in the motorcycle news. I want you to just book.
Well, I'll look into that before I go, because I've got them all ready for that. Right, guys, we'll catch you later. Mind how you go, fella.
Bye-bye.
I just had a nice afternoon in Ostend. Bloody lovely. A couple of old boys there from King's Lynn just been chatted to. One had the Goldwing, one had the BMW K1600. This really is a beautiful place, Ostend. Yeah, one of them old boys just told me that the helmet cameras are illegal in Scotland. I'll have to look into that when I get back. Because I'm only back home 5-6 days and then we're going up to Scotland with another group of lads touring for a week. Can't see that they'll be illegal, I really can't. What a cracking end to the trip. Lovely day in Ostend. Nipped at the supermarket now, a few supplies. Let's drink outside the tent tonight. Calling it a supermarket, Pip. Calling it a supermarket this side of our campsite. Have a look what beer they've got or whatever. That's the K1600 GT. Belgium style. There's a tram just going to Knock. Where the rich and famous live. What a day there before. Christ, there's Ferraris and Porsches and oh man. Money, 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 money. But look at all this as well, these gun turrets. It's all about World War II. Defending their shores. It's dead interesting actually, we've been round it.
Alright for you, lad.
Aye. Just been a little everywhere, isn't there? Got fueled up for tonight, if you know what I mean. A few beers, bed, and then we're getting home tomorrow. Wowza, 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 hot, hot, hot. Back to the campsite now, and the next time we jump on the old bikes, it'll be again home.